I'm Amanda Rushing, and I have the hiccups. Oops, excuse me, the hiccups. I'm going to show you the cure for hiccups. Very simple. You have your glass of ordinary water. Instead of drinking your glass like you would right here, don't do that. Don't drink it that way, okay? You're gonna drink it from the opposite side, okay? So that means you have to bend over, hold your nose, and drink it as long as until you have to stop, until you have to breathe, okay? Here we go. I think it worked. No more hiccups. Problem easily solved.